Airports can be overwhelming. Long lines, confusing layouts, and heavy bags. But with a few smart tricks, travelers aged 50 to 65 plus can turn that stress into smooth, confident journeys. I've gathered 7 airport hacks every senior wishes they knew before boarding. From packing right to finding calm zones in terminals. You'll get real phrases, pro tips, and small changes that can save you time and spare frustration. So, stay with me until the end, because these hacks could change your travel experience forever. Starting with number 1. Arrive early, but not too early. Many seniors think showing up 4 hours ahead is the safest move. But arriving that early can actually drain your energy before you even board. For US and Canadian domestic flights, 2 hours is usually enough, while 3 hours for international flights strikes the right balance. This way you avoid frantic rushing, but also don't waste half your day sitting in hard terminal chairs. One senior couple told us they used to budget extra time, but always ended up tired and buying overpriced snacks to pass the hours. Now they time their arrival smarter, sometimes even booking lounge access if they want a longer wait. Instead of arriving frazzled, they board feeling rested and ready. Pro tip: check your airport size and your departure time traffic patterns. If you need wheelchair service, add just 15 to 30 extra minutes, not hours. Arriving smarter sets the stage for the next hack: packing with purpose. Number 2. Pack smart for security and ease of movement. How you pack can determine whether security is a breeze or a burden. Keep essentials: boarding pass, ID, reading glasses, medications in a small bag within reach. Place liquids in a clear quart-sized bag at the top of your carry-on, and avoid packing every just-in-case item. Overstuffed luggage makes moving through the airport harder than it needs to be. One 68-year-old traveler admitted she used to lug a heavy shoulder bag full of extras and was constantly digging for small items at checkpoints. After switching to a wheeled carry-on and slim crossbody for essentials, her airport routine became faster and far less tiring. Pro tip: create a security kit pouch with everything that goes in the tray: glasses, phone, wallet, watch. Pull it out once, place it down, and you're through in seconds. With your bag under control, let's move to the digital hack that prevents last-minute chaos. Number 3. Use mobile boarding passes and real-time alerts. Paper boarding passes still work, but relying only on them can be risky. Using your airline's app gives you instant access to your boarding pass plus real-time alerts for delays or gate changes. That little buzz in your pocket can save you from a stressful wrong turn. One traveler in her 70s told us she nearly missed a connection until her phone alerted her to a gate change across the terminal. She was able to pivot calmly instead of running in a panic. That kind of heads up makes all the difference. Pro tip: save a screenshot of your pass in case the Wi-Fi cuts out. And enable both airline and airport notifications. Gate changes often come from one before the other. And before we jump into the next tip about arranging airport help, here's a quick favor. If these hacks are already opening your eyes, tap that like button. It tells YouTube to share this with more seniors who need it. And hit subscribe. We release travel tips every week that cut stress and save money. Don't miss the next trick. It's about getting personal assistance most people don't even know is free. Number 4. Request assistance and special services ahead of time. Airlines and airports across North America offer more help than most seniors realize. You just have to request it before you arrive. Wheelchair escorts, priority security lanes, even help boarding are usually available at no charge. The key is booking it 48 hours in advance. One widower in his 80s said the difference was dramatic. Without asking, he struggled through long security lines and nearly missed his gate. On his next trip, he arranged assistance ahead of time. From curbside to boarding door, staff guided him every step, saving both energy and stress. Pro tip: call your airline's customer service and note your request on your reservation. Keep any medical paperwork in your carry-on to speed the process. With those comforts arranged, your seat choice becomes the next game changer. Number 5. Choose your seat wisely before boarding. Your seat can define your whole flight. Aisle seats let you stretch and get up easily. Bulkhead rows provide legroom. Seats near the restroom can reduce painful walks. The trick is checking your airline seat map not just at booking, but again 24 hours before your flight. Many seniors have snagged premium spots at no extra cost this way. A retired couple told us they once endured a 5-hour trip wedged in middle seats. The next time, they set an alarm to recheck their seat map and switch to bulkhead aisles for free. The difference in comfort and mobility was night and day. Pro tip: always set a reminder 24 hours before departure. That's when airlines reshuffle seats and better options often appear. Now that your seat is sorted, the next hack is about keeping your energy steady all day. Number 6. Stay hydrated and bring your own snacks. Flying dehydrates you faster than you might realize. Add in the long waits and overpriced food, and it's easy to feel weak or dizzy. The fix is simple. Bring an empty refillable water bottle through security and carry healthy snacks you actually enjoy. Nuts, granola bars, or fruit slices beat the $15 airport sandwich any day. Plenty of seniors told us they used to skip snacks until after security, only to end up shaky and tired. After packing their own, they not only saved money but also avoided uncomfortable blood sugar drops mid-flight. Pro tip: stick to light snacks and avoid heavy salt or caffeine before boarding. Small bites every few hours keep your body steady for the journey. Once your body feels good, it's time to find a calm corner for your mind. Number 7. Use lounges, quiet areas, and comfort zones when possible. Airports are noisy and chaotic, but most have hidden pockets of calm. Some offer sensory rooms, meditation spaces, or chapels. Lounges are another lifesaver. Many credit cards or day passes unlock access to soft chairs, outlets, and free refreshments. Even a 90-minute break in a quiet lounge can reset your energy for hours. One woman in her late 70s said she now always checks for quiet zones after a rough layover left her drained. On her next trip, she spent her wait in a small lounge with complimentary tea and comfortable seating. She boarded calm instead of frazzled. Pro tip: research your airport map before traveling. Knowing where lounges or quiet areas are located can spare you wandering when you're already tired. Now, this is my favorite part: hearing from you. Which of these airport hacks are you most excited to try on your next trip? Is it smarter packing, grabbing that aisle seat, or sneaking away to a quiet corner before boarding? Tell me in the comments. Your experience might be exactly what another senior traveler needs. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.